We are not moving at all.
Look around, Dad. There is so much to see. Oh, she is sad.
Waiting is hard for little kids.
Hi, look. The lion says, roar. Can you roar with me? Roar.
Roar!
Good idea, Max. You are making her smile.
Do you like butterflies?
Yes, so pretty!
Look, that butterfly is dancing.
It is funny!
I think it likes the flowers.
I
Good
like
job, Max.
butterflies.
You made her smile.
Waiting together is more fun than waiting alone.
Good news! The ticket machine is working again! Come on, Max. It's our turn.
Yay! Let's go! I love the zoo. Whoa! He's so big!
Stand right here, Max. You get the best view from here.
Okay, Papa.
Any second now.
Oh, my shoe is loose. He gave you a shower, Papa.
I guess he does like me.
You're all wet.
That was the best shower I ever had.
Can we come back tomorrow? The bridge is long.
Yes, be careful, Max.
Look, Sam, a big crocodile.
Yes, very big. Hee hee, I scare him.
Did you hear that?
Step carefully, Max.
I have an idea.
Look! The floor is breaking! The floor is broken! Take this! It is breaking!
Down here. I put it here. Good. It stays.
I go forward. It is safe.
Wait, what?
I go back to think.
What?
Oh no!
I'm falling!
The net. I am safe. The crocodiles. They are sleeping. Good.
Hi, Sam.
Good one, Max.
We laugh together. Papa, where is the chameleon? I don't see anything, Papa.
Keep looking. It is a master of hiding.
This will be fun.
Look, Max, I found it first. I am the best spotter.
You found it?
Yes, very easy for me.
See, madam? I found the chameleon.
Oh, very good.
This is not real.
What is on my head?
Nothing, Papa.
Oh, it is up there.
Yes, Papa. Right there. Got you, Papa. Got you.
That was a real chameleon?
Yes, Papa. And the toy was on your shoulder.
You put it there?
I saw the fake line.
Very smart, Max.
I watched the real one climb out. You did not look up.
I will look up next time. That was a good trick, little chameleon.
You felt so funny, Papa.
Yes, I did. You got me.
Bye, chameleon.
Come on, Max.
Look, Sam! Penguins!
Yes, let's go see them.
The penguin is walking funny!
Yes, they are very funny birds. A pebble means love? This little pebble is perfect.
Huh, what is in my pocket?
Kids, come here! You will love this!
Ooh, what is it?
Sam, that penguin is so cute!
Max is a penguin. He wants to give you a pebble.
A penguin boy!
Yes!
No! The penguins are chasing me! Oh no! We were playing!
They are friendly.
Really? Thank.
Hey, stop! That is my shirt!
Bye, penguins! You are so funny!
Okay. That was a good joke.
Look, Sam! A big blue bird!
Wow, that's a peacock, Max. Oh, a pretty feather.
What is it, Sam?
I have a funny idea.
A funny idea?
This will be so good.
I have a better idea.
What? What happened?
It's stuck!
Where is everyone?
Over here, Sam.
Uh-oh. Look behind you, Sam.
Why?
Oh no. Oh no. He's angry, Sam.
It's angry!
Bye-bye, Sam. Have fun.
That was so funny. It was a little funny, Sam.